This month's drop features something for everyone, whether you're the CFO looking to earn more on operating cash or the marketer trying to spend less time submitting expenses. Here's what's new. First up, Ramp Treasury. Zero. That's what 80% of businesses earn on their operating cash. So we built a new kind of cash account that won't make you choose between high yield and liquidity. It's called Ramp Treasury, and it allows you to access a Ramp investment account that earns 4.3% on excess cash with no minimums, no transfer caps, and next business day liquidity. You can also store operating cash in a Ramp business account while earning an unlimited 2.5%, then use the funds to pay your bills. Ramp can anticipate cash flow needs, accelerate cross-team approvals, and automate transfers, payments, and reconciliation, giving you hours back each week. Automatically categorize expenses over SMS. Most employees have no clue what an accounting category is, and that's a big problem for accountants who depend on their employees to correctly categorize transactions to reduce busy work. Now, after you submit a receipt, we can suggest accurate accounting categories or automatically assign one based on your memo. No need to learn complex terminology or project codes. Just 5 seconds of your time and perfectly filed expenses every time. Admins on the go. This month, we're swiping right on simpler expense management. Now admins can approve or decline cards, adjust limits, and manage team spend, all with a single swipe. Let's see you do that in a spreadsheet. Download the app to get started. That's all we have time for this month. If you like these updates, consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, or dropping your feature requests in the comments below. We'll see you next month.